Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Voyor, where they sent me a 5-in-1 electric face brush. So this is the box that it came in. It just says enjoy a healthy and beautiful life. It gives you the main features on the front, which is deep purifying dirt and oil, 5 multifunctional and exchangeable brush heads, quick charge, which can take up to 1 hour, 3 adjustable speed modes, which is low, mid, and high, as well as the IPX7 waterproof design, and rechargeable and cordless face brush, as well as portable and ergonomic. So inside of the box came a customer service card, which just is clearly to everyone is satisfied and they would love to hear your voice and opinion. Next, you have the service guide, which just briefly goes over the product description, how to use it, what products pieces is what, and how to clean and maintain it. So the beginning of the book is in English. When you open up the box, you're going to go ahead and see there is a face brush that is rechargeable. That is what this is. I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the bag. And so here's the chargeable port that you see here. This is what you're going to charge up into the wall. And so the cord for that is inside of this box. I'm just going to set it to the side. This is a body brush, which is used to clean your whole body if you choose to. And then you also have the makeup remover brush head, which is just a soft sponge and it can be used to remove makeup. Next, you have the dead skin remover head, which you can put your feet into warm water for 10 to 15 minutes, then wipe dry with a cloth and just use this to remove the dead skin. Here's the charger that you're going to need for charging up your face brush piece. And so you do need a end cord for that. Next, you just have a normal face brush head, where this is going to be for normal facial skinning. So definitely make sure your face is clean before you use it. So here I am just showing you guys the cord, and that you have to plug it up into a port and just let it charge for up to an hour. And it goes into the back. So let this charge up to an hour, but I wanted to go ahead and show you the speeds that you have. You have mid, you have low, you have high, and so it also comes with a bag that you guys can easily keep all of these things in. So here I am just going to show you guys the pieces that come along with it. So this is how you take off every head, and you can just set it to the side. This is the body cleansing head. Then you have another normal face brush head. You also have a sensitive one, and then you have the makeup remover, and then you have the dead skin remover head. And so this is how it works. You just easily can charge it in this port here, and you also get to interchange the pieces for the facial brush head. So like I said, you have speeds of low, mid, and high, and you definitely can use any speed that you choose. And so just showing you guys some different speeds. So in the directions of the manual, it just says to cleanse your face before you do exfoliate. So you just need to clean your face in order to activate and achieve the best exfoliation results. So I just decided to wipe my face with this cocoa shea butter wipe that I got from CVS. And then I decided to go ahead and get ready to turn on the water. And it does say to wipe the neck and behind the ears and stuff like that before you get started, just so that everything is clean. So I am using the Clean and Clear Deep Action Exfoliating Scrub, and so this was bought at Family Dollar for about $5. So I'm going to turn it on. I have the water on and ready. I am going to just put a little bit of water onto my face before getting started, and then I will go ahead and use the Deep Clean Exfoliating Cream. So it's totally up to you to figure out how much you want to put on there. Definitely apply the cleanser or soap onto the brush and then turn on the product and gently move it across your face or your body if you're using the body piece, which is the larger circle, and just do it into a circular movement to start cleansing the face. All replacement heads can be used the same way. Definitely make sure that it is turned on. And the way to clean is just to clean the face brush and then all the replacements each time after usage. Don't use any alcohol, acetone, or any other cleaning liquids to clean the plastic parts. If the bristles of the brush start to come out of shape, you can rinse the bristle with warm water to restore them back to its original shape. Once again, it comes with a bag where you can keep all of your belongings in it, such as your instructions, your service card, your face brush, and all of the 5 replacement heads that go along with it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you so much to Voyor for sponsoring this video and sending me this 5-in-1 electric face brush. Please be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up and comment down below.